Global warming and climate change.
Today, Emily and I will be discussing the topic of climate change and global warming.
Climate change is a change in global or regional climate patterns, while global warming is a gradual increase in the overall temperature of Earth's atmosphere.
Global warming is a worldwide phenomenon, while climate change can be seen at a global, regional, or an even more local scale.
But both global warming and climate change can also produce different impacts depending on the local geography, as well as the local inhabitants, such as plants and animals.
Many of these changes will cause unexpected and dangerous effects on life around the world. Global warming affects our environment due to the heat that melts our glaciers and sea ice. This causes shifting precipitation patterns and sets animals on the move to different and safer locations.
Due to the frequent melting of ice, animals such as the polar bear are endangered. Scientists have predicted that the result of global warming are loss of sea ice, accelerated sea level rises, and more intense heat waves.
Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide, other air pollutants, and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere. They then absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface.
Normally, this radiation would escape into space, but due to the effects of global warming, these pollutants trap the heat, causing the planet to get hotter. These certain pollutants can last for years and even centuries within our atmosphere.
This process can also be called the greenhouse effect. As for climate change, it affects people and our environment in many ways. Some of these impacts, like stronger hurricanes and severe heat waves, could be life-threatening.
The Hurricane Patricia was expected to be the strongest, most powerful hurricane ever recorded. It was heading towards Mexico in October 2015. Hurricane Patricia killed 6 people, and an estimated 3,500 homes were destroyed, and as many as 25,000 hectares of land was affected.
Studies have shown that Hurricane Patricia was due to climate changes as well as many other hurricanes. Climate change also causes environmental consequences such as extreme heat waves, flooding, hurricanes, degraded air quality, and even the physical, social, and psychological health of humans.
These greenhouse gas emissions have increased the greenhouse effect and caused Earth's surface temperature to rise.
The primary human activity affecting the amount and rate of climate change is greenhouse gas emissions from the burning of fossil fuels.
Fossil fuels include natural gas, oil, peat, and coal. These fuels are organic biomass extracted from the remains of primitive organisms that roamed the planet many years ago.
As you can tell, global warming and climate change are both unfortunate occurrences that are happening right now. So you may be wondering how we, as individuals, can change our ways for the better and how we can prevent both climate change and global warming.
A major change you can make in your life is being more energy efficient. Switch off lights and electronics when they aren't in use.
Ask your utility provider to switch your account to clean, renewable power. Also, eat wisely and grow your own foods when possible.
Try to resist the urge of flying to your next vacation. Air travel leaves behind a major carbon footprint, so consider traveling by train or bus. Also carpool whenever possible.
To prevent global warming, reduce your waste, conserve water, and reduce your fossil fuel use. Also, go outside and plant a tree.
As humans, we have the ability to work together to beat global warming and climate change. Make small changes and adjustments daily to prevent the possibility of permanent damage.
Thank you for listening and spread the word of climate change and global warming prevention. Be the change you want to see in the world. Have a great day.